In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download assets in Figma project. Start by opening your design in Figma. Click to select the specific layer or frame you want to export. A layer might be an icon, button, or image, while a frame is usually a screen or a larger grouping. When selected, you'll see its details appear in the right sidebar. Make sure you are on the Design tab in the top right area of that sidebar. Scroll down to find the Export section in the right sidebar. This is where all the export options live. Click the plus button to add an export setting. You'll now be able to configure how your asset will be saved. Choose a format that fits your needs. PNG is great for UI elements and anything that needs a transparent background. JPG works well for photos or visuals, where file size matters more than transparency. SVG is ideal for icons and logos because it stays perfectly sharp at any size. PDF is useful for documents, presentations, or when you need a shareable vector format. Next, set the scale. You can pick from 0.5x up to 4 times. Lower scales are helpful for lightweight previews, while higher scales are perfect for high-resolution or retina screens. For example, 2 times is a common choice for mobile assets, and 3 times or 4 times can be useful if you know the design will appear on very dense displays. Add a suffix if you want your exported file to be clearly labeled. This is especially handy when you are exporting multiple sizes or formats. You might add something like A2 times or SVG to keep files easy to identify later. Keeping consistent naming across your project will save you time when handing off assets. When everything looks good, click Export. Figma will generate the file using your chosen format, scale, and suffix. Save it to a well-organized folder so you can find it quickly when you need it. If you need to export several assets at once, hold Shift and select multiple frames or layers on your canvas. Then set the export options in the right sidebar, and those settings will apply to all selected items. Click Export and Figma will produce a separate file for each selection using the same configuration. That's it. Thanks for watching.